अस्सलाम वालेकुम स्टूडेंट्स, होप यू ऑल आर फाइन। स्टूडेंट्स, आज हम बायो क्लास 9 नेशनल बुक फाउंडेशन न्यू बुक चैप्टर नंबर 1 एक्सरसाइज सॉल्व करेंगे। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल हमारे पास है मल्टीपल चॉइस क्वेश्चंस। फर्स्ट एमसीक्यू है हमारे पास, द स्टडी ऑफ फंक्शंस ऑफ वेरियस ऑर्गन्स ऑफ एन ऑर्गेनिज्म इज। ऑप्शंस आर मॉर्फोलॉजी, हिस्टोलॉजी, एनाटॉमी, फिजियोलॉजी। Correct option is D. Physiology. Next MCQ is, histology is the microscopic study of. Options are tissues, cells, fossils, plants. Correct option is A. Tissues. Next MCQ is, paleontology is the study of. Options are environment, development, fossils, animals. Correct option is C. Fossils. Next MCQ is, the other name of environmental biology is. Options are ecology, biotechnology, microbiology, cell biology. Correct option is A. Ecology. Next MCQ is, microbiology is the study of. Options are fungi, animals, plants, microorganism. Correct option is D. Microorganism. Next MCQ is, if a scientist studying the methods of inserting human insulin gene in bacteria, which branch of biology may this be? Options are anatomy, physiology, biotechnology, pharmacy. Correct option is C. Biotechnology. Next MCQ is, the starting point of scientific investigation is. Options are hypothesis, theory, observation, data. Correct option is C. Observation. Next MCQ is, information that is gathered as a result of experiment is called. Options are hypothesis, data, theory, observation. Correct option is B. Data. Next MCQ is, which of the following represents the correct sequence of different steps of scientific study? Options are observation, hypothesis, experiment, deduction, theory. Option B, observation, deduction, hypothesis, theory, experiment. Option C, hypothesis, observation, deduction, experiment, theory. Option D, observation, hypothesis, deduction, experiment, theory. Correct one is option D, which is observation, then hypothesis, then deduction, then experiment, then theory. Next MCQ is, which of the following statements best distinguishes hypotheses from theories in science? Options are theories are hypotheses which have been proven true. Theories are based on limited data while hypotheses are based on wide range of data. Theories are uncertain while hypotheses are certain. Theories are educated guess while hypotheses are widely accepted explanation of natural phenomena. Correct option is A. Theories are hypotheses that have been proven true. Next MCQ is, malaria is caused by. Options are mosquitoes, stagnant water, swamp, plasmodium. Correct option is D. Plasmodium. Next MCQ is, malarial patient has plasmodium in his blood. What would be possible explanation if a healthy person who is not having any malaria symptoms show plasmodium in his blood? Options are Plasmodium are dead, Plasmodium are in incubation period, Plasmodium are not mature, Plasmodium are inactive. Correct option is B. Plasmodium are in incubation period. Next MCQ is, you are doing a control experiment. Which options are proceeds slowly enough that a scientist can record the result, may include experiment and control group, tested in parallel, is repeated many times to make sure the results are accurate, proceed slowly enough that a scientist can test predictions. Correct option is B. May include experimental and control groups tested in parallel. Next MCQ is, which option has correctly matched disease and vector mosquito? कि जो डिजीज है, पहली हमारे पास मलेरिया इन ह्यूमंस, दूसरी है मलेरिया इन बर्ड्स और तीसरा है डेंगू फीवर, और कह रहा है कि इनका वेक्टर मस्कीटो कौन सा है, कौन इनको ट्रांसफर करता है। ऑप्शन ए है एनोफिलस Aedes culex. Option B, Aedes culex Anopheles. Option C, Anopheles culex Aedes. Option D, culex Anopheles Aedes. Correct option is C, Anopheles culex Aedes. नेक्स्ट है हमारे पास सेक्शन 2 which is short question answers. First question is define the following branches of biology and give at least one significance of studying these branches. First one is molecular biology, then physiology, then paleontology, and then pharmacology. So, molecular biology. So, its answer is on page number 7 एंड 8 मेजर फील्ड्स ऑफ बायोलॉजी में आप देख सकते हैं. हमसे उसने कौन कौन सी पूछी थी जी. फिजियोलॉजी, स्टडी ऑफ फंक्शन ऑफ ऑर्गन्स of organism is called physiology. Examples of physiology are digestion, respiration, excretion, photosynthesis. Then उसने पूछी थी paleontology is the study of history of life on earth based on fossils. Then उसने मुझसे पूछा था pharmacology. Science which deals with the study of drugs is called pharmacology. Pharmacology, a drug is called a chemical substance. For example, aspirin is a form of drug often used to treat pain, fever, and inflammation. The other example of drugs is morphine, insulin, penicillin, etc. So बच्चों ये फार्माकोलॉजी, पैलेंटोलॉजी, फिजियोलॉजी एंड molecular biology. Molecular biology is the study of biology at molecular level. So इसका आंसर है पेज नंबर 7 एट 8 पे. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है हमारे पास. कैन यू डिस्टिंग्विश बिटवीन. के इनके बीच में हमने डिफरेंस करना है. ए है एनाटॉमी एंड मॉर्फोलॉजी, साइटोलॉजी एंड जेनेटिक्स, बायोटेक्नोलॉजी एंड immunology, and marine biology and ecology. So इसका जो आंसर है हमारे पास वो है पेज नंबर 7 एंड 8 पे. पहला था हमारे पास, हमने डिफरेंस करना था बिटवीन एनाटॉमी एंड मॉर्फोलॉजी. तो ये दोनों आएंगे इसमें. एनाटॉमी, मॉर्फोलॉजी. एनाटॉमी क्या है? स्टडी ऑफ इंटरनल स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ ऑर्गेनिज्म. और जो मॉर्फोलॉजी होती है वो स्टडी ऑफ फॉर्म, साइज एंड शेप ऑफ एनिमल एंड प्लांट्स एंड माइक्रोऑर्गेनिज्म. ठीक है. दूसरा था हमारे पास डिफरेंस बिटवीन साइटोलॉजी एंड जेनेटिक्स. साइटोलॉजी, the study of structure and function of cell is called cytology. Genetics क्या है? while the study of genes and heredity in organism is called genetics. Next हमारे पास difference between biotechnology and immunology. Immunology, the ability of body to protect itself from foreign substances is called immunity, and the study of immunity is called immunology. And दूसरा था हमारे पास biotechnology. Here it is. The study of use of different techniques to manipulate the living organism for the benefit of mankind is called biotechnology. It is on page number 9. Next one is marine biology and ecology. Here it is ecology. The study of interrelationship of organism and environment is called ecology. It is also known as environmental biology. ये भी आपने याद रखना है. एंड दूसरा था हमारे पास मेरीन बायोलॉजी, द स्टडी ऑफ ऑर्गेनिजम्स living in sea is called marine biology. For example, study of fish, water, fish, whale, dolphin, etc. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है हमारे पास healthy life of a person depends on healthy life choices. How study of biology is going to help you to live a healthy life. इसका आंसर बच्चों लिख लें. Studying biology provides valuable insights into human body, its functions and complex mechanisms that maintain health. कह रहा है कि स्टडिंग बियोलॉजी की बायोलॉजी स्टडी क्या करती है, हमें बहुत ज़्यादा डीप इंसाइट प्रोवाइड करती है इनटू ह्यूमन बॉडी के बारे में, इस फंक्शंस के बारे में, इसकी कम्प्लेक्स मैकेनिज्म्स के बारे में. Here's how biology can help individuals make healthier life. Understanding of human anatomy and physiology. Biology teaches about the structure and function of organs and systems in the human body. This knowledge helps individuals understand how lifestyle choices such as diet and exercise impact their overall health. Second, awareness of disease mechanism. Biology explains the cause and progression of diseases, including genetic factors, pathogens, and environmental influences. Understanding disease mechanism empowers individuals to take preventive measures and seek appropriate medical care when needed. Third, nutrition and dietetics. Biology provides insights into nutritional requirement, metabolism, and the role of nutrients in maintaining health. Studying biology helps individuals make informed choices about their diet, ensuring they receive essential nutrients and maintain a healthy weight. Environmental health. Biology encompasses the study of interactions between organism and the environment. Understanding environmental factors such as pollution, climate change, and habitat destruction can motivate individuals to adopt eco-friendly behaviors that promote both personal and planetary health. Next है genetic counseling and personalized medicine. Advances in biology, particularly genetics, enable personalized approaches to healthcare. Individuals can benefit from genetic counseling to assess their risk of inherited diseases and make informed decisions about screening, prevention, and treatment options. Overall, the study of biology equips individuals with knowledge and tools to make informed decisions about their health, leading to a healthier and more fulfilling life. Next question is question number 4. What is the contribution of the following scientists? AFA King, Ronald Ross and Lebron. स्टूडेंट्स इन साइंटिस्ट का हमने जिक्र जो हमने पढ़ा था मलेरिया एज एग्जांपल ऑफ बायोलॉजिकल प्रॉब्लम, उसमें हमने इन तीनों का जिक्र पढ़ा था. तो इन तीनों का आंसर उसमें है. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल हमारे पास आ जाता है AFA किंग. AFA किंग आल्सो नोन एज ऑर्थर Fernando Alfred King was a British bacteriologist who made significant contribution to the field of microbiology. His most notable contribution was in the development of a method for the cultivation of tubercle bacilli, which greatly facilitated research into tuberculosis and ultimately contributed to the development of treatments and vaccines for the disease. नेक्स्ट आ जाता है हमारे पास रोनाल्ड रॉस. Sir Ronald Ross was a British medical doctor who is best known for his pioneering work on the transmission of malaria. In 1902, he discovered that malaria is transmitted through the bite of infected female mosquitoes. This groundbreaking discovery revolutionized our understanding of malaria and paved the way for effective methods of control such as mosquito control measures and the development of anti-malarial drugs. Next आ जाते हैं लेवरॉन. Charles Louis Alphonse Levron was a French physician and parasitologist who is credited with the discovery of the malaria parasite. In 1880, he identified the protozoan parasite Plasmodium as the causative agent of malaria. While working as a military doctor in Algeria, Levron's discovery provided crucial insights into the understanding and treatment of malaria, ultimately leading to significant advancements in the control and prevention of the disease. Next question is question number 5. Observations are mainly of two types, qualitative and quantitative. Sort the following observation according to these two types. Color of cat, height of giraffe, weight of mango, fruits, body temperature of birds, volume of blood in humans, shape of leaves, climate of desert, स्पीड ऑफ टाइगर, सॉन्ग ऑफ अ बर्ड. कह रहा है कि ये ऑब्जर्वेशन दो तरह की होती हैं, क्वालिटेटिव और क्वांटिटेटिव. ये कह रहा है ये जो कुछ हमें ऑब्जर्वेशन दी गई हैं जैसे कैट्स का कलर या जिराफ की हाइट, तो कह रहा है आप इनको क्लासीफाई करें कि ये क्वालिटेटिव है या क्वांटिटेटिव है. ठीक है. सो जो क्वालिटेटिव ऑब्जर्वेशन है उसमें कौन कौन सी आ जाएंगी. क्वालिटेटिव होती है क्वालिटी जस्ट. ठीक है. उसमें क्वांटिटी नहीं होगी. अब जैसे पहला जो हमारे पास कलर ऑफ कैट्स, इसमें कलर कैट्स के डिफरेंट कलर्स के शेड्स होंगे तो ये क्वालिटी कैरेक्टरिस्टिक कैट रेट है. तो जो कलर ऑफ कैट है ये क्या है, क्वालिटेटिव है. नेक्स्ट हाइट ऑफ जिराफ, ये भी क्या है, क्वालिटेटिव है. शेप ऑफ लीव्स जो है ये भी क्वालिटेटिव है. क्लाइमेट ऑफ डेजर्ट भी क्या है, क्वालिटेटिव है. ठीक है. उसके बाद जो हमारे पास आ जाते हैं सॉन्ग ऑफ बर्ड, ये भी क्या है, क्वालिटेटिव. नेक्स्ट क्वांटिटेटिव में आ जाते हैं वेट ऑफ मैंगो फ्रूट्स, बॉडी टेम्परेचर ऑफ बर्ड्स, ये क्या भी क्वांटिटेटिव है. वॉल्यूम ऑफ ब्लड इन ह्यूमन, ये भी क्वांटिटेटिव है. और जो स्पीड ऑफ टाइगर है ये भी क्या है, क्वांटिटेटिव है. नेक्स्ट है हमारे पास क्वेश्चन नंबर 6. A Nobel Prize winner gave a hypothesis about effects of COVID-19 vaccine. Can it be wrong? Why? Develop deduction from this hypothesis. Vaccination of COVID-19 can reduce the severity of complications in case of infection. Answer is yes. A Nobel Prize winner's hypothesis about the COVID-19 vaccine could potentially be incorrect. Incorrect हो सकती है. Hypotheses are by nature tentative and subject to be testing and validation through empirical evidence. However, if we were to deduce from the hypothesis that vaccination against COVID-19 can reduce the severity of complications in case of infection, it suggests that the vaccine might boost the body's immune response to virus. This is based on the principle of vaccination, where exposure to a weakened or inactive form of the pathogen prompts the immune system to produce antibodies and memory cells, thus providing protection against future encounters with the virus. Nonetheless, the effectiveness of vaccines can vary based on factors such as specific vaccine formulation, the presence of new variants, and individuals' immune response. Therefore, while the hypothesis is reasonable, rigorous testing through clinical trials and ongoing monitoring of real-world data are essential to confirm its validity. Next question is question number 7. Why it is impossible to eradicate malaria? Malaria is difficult to eradicate due to factors such as the resilience of the malaria parasite, the complexity of transmission involving multiple species including humans and mosquitoes, the emergence of drug-resistant strains, and socioeconomic factors affecting access of healthcare and prevention measures in affected regions. Next question is, the diagram shows one insect. Answer the following questions related to it. First question is, why do we use word for mosquito? Answer is, in biology, a vector typically refers to an organism, typically an arthropod like a mosquito or a tick, that transmits pathogens or parasites from one host to another. Word vector are used for mosquito. This allows for computational analysis such as language processing tasks like text classification, sentiment analysis, or even understanding relationship between words like mosquito and related concepts or actions. Next question is, what is the name of organism that transmit malaria disease in man and bird? The organism that transmit malaria in humans and birds is the mosquito, particularly female Anopheles mosquito. Third question was, what was the main purpose of experiment by Ronald Ross? The main purpose of experiment by Ronald Ross was to prove that mosquitoes, specifically female Anopheles mosquito, were the vectors responsible for transmitting malaria parasites to humans. Next question was question number 9. Why Ross did not allow the infected mosquitoes to bite a healthy person? Answer is, Ross did not allow to infect the infected mosquito to bite healthy person because he wanted to show that malaria could be transmitted only by mosquitoes. If he had allowed infected mosquito to bite healthy individual and they contracted malaria, there could have been doubts about whether they had been infected through other means. By controlling the experiment and ensuring that the only exposure to malaria came from infected mosquitoes, Rose could conclusively demonstrate the role of mosquitoes as vectors for transmitting the disease. Next question is question number 10. A student wants to investigate the effect of different factors on the activity of salivary amylase. He will design an experiment in order to reach conclusion. What would be the most appropriate first step to initiate? The most appropriate first step would be to establish a clear hypothesis or a research question. This step involves defining what specific factors the students wants to investigate and how they might affect the activity of salivary amylase. Having a well-defined hypothesis will guide the design of experiment and help the students to formulate a structured approach to collecting and analyzing data. Next question is question number 11. Hepatitis B virus was found in blood of 10 persons. Only 6 of them were suffering from hepatitis B disease. Why? Answer is, not everyone infected with hepatitis B virus develop systems or becomes ill because some individuals can be carriers of the virus without exhibiting symptoms. सो स्टूडेंट्स हमारे ये शॉर्ट क्वेश्चंस कंप्लीट हो चुके हैं होपफुली आपको समझ आ गए होंगे इफ यू हैव एनी डाउट यू कैन आस्क इन कमेंट सेक्शन प्लीज लाइक शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब माय यूट्यूब चैनल थैंक यू